Hi guys, and welcome to another weekend vloggy vlog. It is 7. I am going to get my nail repaired. It broke. I wish I could show you. I don't know how I'm going to show you this, but yeah, I just called to request for an appointment to quickly fix it. So I'm going. It's like a 45-minute drive. I couldn't find anywhere else where I could actually fix my nails, so let's go. And then I need to pick my dress for tomorrow. We're going for food festival tomorrow, and yeah, we need to look like we are ready for it. I can't believe it's been a year. I need to show you my broken nail. Why did it have to be this small? This is how it looks like. Why did it have to be my middle finger? Anyways, I've got to rush and stop talking. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. I'm back like I never left. I got my outfit from the laundry. I just couldn't iron it. It's a very complicated jumpsuit, and yeah. So now I'm just heading home with my olives. Yeah, I need to edit tomorrow's video. It's not very long, so it's gonna take me like an hour. It's 10. I'm looking at finishing at 11, take a shower, sleep. I have morning run tomorrow, so let's do this. Hey guys, food festival ready. This is my outfit of the day, just a jumpsuit, wide-legged, and we are ready. So let's go. Quite an eventful morning. That's how my face looks like. Lipstick, Sephora, makeup, just NYX. My necklace, just basic. My earrings, and that's the look. Of course, I'm barefoot, just to wear my shoes and out. Okay, let's go. Good morning. Today is Sunday morning and I am making chili con carne. This is a meal I was introduced to by my momager. She made it for me so many times, and so because of that I'm feeling nostalgic and I feel like I need to make it. I'm also making it as breakfast for my friend because she's here. The last time she was here, our breakfast burnt because we were busy watching Adolescents on Netflix. I don't know if you've watched it, but if you haven't, you definitely should sit and watch it. And so today I'm making a makeup meal for that. I have my minced meat, I have beans, red kidney beans, I have tomato puree, I have my spices and olive oil, I have this coriander, this is an onion, and this is just a different type of onion. So I will be taking you guys on this journey with me, and I hope you learn one or two things. I love this meal because for me it means good nutrition. One, two, it's good for my iron because red kidney beans are rich in iron, so is beef. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have all our ingredients ready. Let's get into it. First, that's the pot I've put on the fire. Of course, I'm going to oil. We're making up. Distracts you. Do you guys like it?